How to enable sleep timer in Music app. You can easily enable the sleep timer feature in your Music app. First, open the Music app and look at the top left corner of the screen. You will see a menu icon with two horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, go to Advanced Settings. Here you will find different additional features and playback options. Look for the option called Sleep Timer. Once you find it, simply turn on the toggle to enable it. After enabling it, you can set a specific time duration so that your music will automatically stop playing once the timer ends. This is very useful if you listen to music while sleeping or want to save battery at night. Once it's enabled, you don't need to manually stop the music anymore. The app will handle it for you automatically. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tutorials.